Top 10 errors in science fiction movies. Number 10, simplicity. This is less a crime of commission than one of mission. A space is full of wonders we can't even begin to understand. At most, science fiction films are based in a very simplistic environment and do not even begin to investigate the wonderful possibilities that science fiction offers us. We don't see interplanetary tunnels, aliens on planets around pulsars, creatures living on dead suns, alien life forms that inhabit the edges of supermassive black holes, or so many of the other thought provoking scenarios. Let's spice up our science fiction movies. Simplistic planets. This is particularly evident in the Star Wars movies. Whenever a planet is introduced in a science fiction film, it has one equal ecological system across the entire planet. For example, it might be entirely covered in snow or entirely covered in sand. Number 8, alien or human breeding. This is often seen in Star Trek. For example, Spock. He was half human and half Vulcan. It is not even possible for human or ape crossbreeds to occur due to genetic differences. So it is inconceivable, inconceivable that a human and an alien might be able to crossbreed. Number 7, alien or human communication. If aliens did exist, it would be extremely unlikely that we could communicate with them in a very short amount of time. In addition to the regular problems in translating in entirely unknown language, we would also have to consider a society that probably involves concepts we do not understand at all. Number 6, instant communications. Even if we did use light particles or waves to transmit radio data, the vast distances in space would make instant radio communication impossible. A rare exception to this flaw is in the movie Contact. Number 5, humanoid aliens. This is endemic on the various Star Trek series, where creatures from entirely different sectors of the universe look just like humans, except for the occasional bulging ridge on their foreheads, for example. Number 4, explosions in space. Unfortunately, virtually every science fiction movie makes this error. In fact, in the vacuum of outer space, there can be no flames, and of course, no boom. Number 3, super luminal travel. According to Einstein's special theory of relativity, as an object approaches the speed of light, the energy required to propel it is immense. By the time you reach the speed of light, infinite energy is needed. This renders faster than light travel impossible for a man. Number 2, Earth gravity. It doesn't matter what film you watch, almost all of them have Earth like gravity, no matter where it is set. This is ridiculous, of course, unless you are on a planet which matches Earth in every way with regards to our level of gravity. Number 1, sound in space. Sound requires air to travel. Without air, there is no sound. Many films completely ignore this and give us air piercing sound effects during battles. So these are the top 10 errors in science fiction movies.